Good morning, dear students. I am an English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Today, Wednesday. Students, hope you all doing well, right? Okay, students. Today, we start our second term English. Students, all of you having your English book, right? Those who are not get your books, you have to pay and get your books. Okay, second term books. Today, we start our first unit, the lesson prose. In first units, we have prose, poem and supplementary reader. So first we have to see prose, sports stars. Sports stars. What is mean by sports? Do you like sports? Like volleyball, football, throw ball, handball, running, athletic events, right? It is called as sports. Indoor games, outdoor games is also in the sports. Here they give 3 sections and about 3 sports stars. First one is Mithali Dorairaj. She is a cricket player. And second one is Usha Rani. She is a kabaddi player. And third one is PV Sindhu. She is a badminton player. Here, these 3 parts is the real story of their sports and about their families also. So, students, first we have to learn glossary. Okay. This is your homework. Glossary you have to write 2 times. Okay. And then take a photocopy and send me through the WhatsApp. This is your homework. Let me read. Recognized, recognized, known, known, recognized, RECOGNISED, recognized, known, known, acknowledged, 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 accepted, 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 privilege, 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 privilege means honor, HONOUR, honor, privilege means honor, consecutive, consecutive, one after another. Consecutive means one after another. CONSECUTIVE, consecutive. One after another. ONE, one. AFTER, after. Another. ANOTHER, another. Identity, 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 identity. Identity means who or what a person is or how a person is known. WHO, who, slash means here or, ORR, what, 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 a person, 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 ISS, ORR, HOW, how a person, 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 ISS, known, KNOWN, known. Identity means who or what a person is or how a person is known. That is means identity. Inspiration, INSPIRATION, inspiration. Inspiration means here a person one looks up to. One looks up to. H-E-R-E here a person. P-E-R-S-O-N person. O-N-E one. L-O-O-K-S looks. U-P up. T-O-2. Here a person one looks up to. Inspiration means here a person looks up to. Passion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Passion. Passion means desire. Passion means desire. D-E-S-I-R-E. Desire. Let me recall it again. Recognized, known. Recognized, known. Acknowledged, accepted. Acknowledged, accepted. Privilege, privilege. Honor, privilege, honor. Consecutive, one after another. Consecutive, one after another. Identity, who or what a person is or how a person is known. Inspiration, inspiration means here a person one looks up to. Inspiration means here a person one looks up to. And last one is passion. Passion means desire. Passion, desire. Okay, students, next we have to see a picture grammar. Okay. All of you take page number 94, pictogrammar. 94, pictogrammar. Here see this picture, a man with a tea, a girl with flower and two dice and head. Man's head, it is a bald, right? And a graduate student and one man with tired face, right? So we have to know about these pictures. Okay, students, listen. Here see, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Here, students, you already know that, right? What is mean by noun? Noun is a naming word, right? So here tea is a noun, flower is a noun, dice is a noun, head, graduate, man. It's a noun word. Noun is a naming word. Which things have a name that is called noun or naming word, like persons, birds, animals, places, all those things noun. Okay, here the word hot describes the noun word tea, that is called adjective. That is called adjective. A word describes the noun, it's a adjective. So here hot is the adjective. Hot tea. Beautiful flower. Beautiful describes the flower as beautiful flower. That is called adjective. Here dice. Two dice is there, no? So the word two is describes the dice, and here bald. Bald describes the head. Head as a noun word, and then young graduate. Graduate is a noun word. Young describes the graduate, right? So this is the adjective. Young graduate. And tired. Tired is adjective word because man is a noun word. The tired word is describe the man. So that is adjective. Here adjective word hot, beautiful, two, bald, young, tired. So students, here also you have a homework. You have to write an adjective word like that. You have to describe the noun, that is called adjective. So you have to 5 examples for adjective. This is your homework. Okay, you have to do and then send me through the WhatsApp. Okay. Hot tea, beautiful flower, two dice, bald head, young graduate, tired man. Here these are the adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. That is called adjective. Pictogrammer means we have to know the meaning of using these pictures. Through using these pictures we have to know the meaning these words. That is called pictogrammer. Okay. Students, you have to write 5 examples for adjective and then you have to read and write the glossary 2 times. Keep safe at your home, students. You have to do your homework and send me through the WhatsApp. Okay, students, thank you. Keep safe at your home.